Dear students, I am Paras Doshi, Director of Kushal Coaching Classes and an engineer from SVNIT. Today we are going to study about gravitations. See, the gravitation force exists everywhere. If there are two bodies having mass, means there will be gravitation. There is a gravitation between two stars, Earth and Moon, Moon and Sun, Sun and Earth, or any two persons. I have got mass, you have got mass. Means there is a force of gravitation between you and me also. There is a force of gravitation between one table and chair also. So we will start with the force of gravitation. Generally we write the force of gravitation F. Now, the force of gravitation is proportional to certain things and inversely proportional to certain things. So, suppose there are two objects having a mass m1 and m2 and distance between them is d. So, as both the objects has got mass, so there will be force of gravitation. Suppose this object is here and this is B. Then force of gravitation between these two objects will be proportional to product of their masses. Second, inversely proportional to square the distance between them. So these two phenomena are there. Now I have combined both the equation. Then F is proportional to m1 m2 upon d square. If I remove this proportionality sign, then there will be a constant g. This g is universal gravitational constant. Means it's applicable to all objects in universe, not only with Earth. If there are two stars and you want to find out the force of gravitation between them, then also it will apply. And the value of this G is fixed 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. This is the fixed value of G. So we can describe the law of whatever is mathematical form, we can write in a definition form also. So, how we can write the force of gravitation between two objects will be directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. So as I told you, the force of gravitation between two objects will be directly proportional to product of their masses, and inversely proportional because it is in denominator to square of the distance between them. Square d is the distance, then square of distance between them. So this is the law of force of gravitation. Law. I hope you understood. Now we will go next. Suppose this is Earth. Center is O. The radius of Earth is RE. Mass of Earth is ME. E suffix is for Earth. Suppose we got an object over here. This mass is M. This distance will be also RE because it's a radius. So suppose this is the Earth, mass of the Earth is ME, RE is the radius of the Earth, and M is the mass of the object. RE is radius of Earth, ME equal to mass of Earth M is mass of object. On Earth. So as per our law of gravitation, F is equal to G ME M upon RE square. The product of the masses, product of the mass of Earth and mass of object M, and RE square, the distance between center of the Earth and object. This is equation 1. Now F equal to mg. So M is the mass of the object and G, because Earth pulls every object with the acceleration due to gravity, G. Because it is a vertical force or it's a acceleration. So horizontal normally we define by A or denote by A, but vertical, if something is pulled by earth, the acceleration due to gravity is G. So we can write what is G. G is acceleration due to gravity. Gravity means force or gravitational force by the earth. So this is equation 2. Here in a Newton's second law, force equal to mass into acceleration. M is the mass and G is the acceleration. Acceleration due to gravity. So from equation 1 and equation 2, left hand side is same, so what we can write, compare them. mg is equal to g me m upon r square. mm cancel, so g is equal to g me upon r square. So G me upon r square. By this formula we can find out the value of G. See, capital G is constant, universal gravitational constant, whose value is 6.67 10 to the power minus 11. Me, mass of the earth, it is also a constant, and Re, radius of earth is also constant. So you know G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. And radius of the earth is 6400 kilometers. So if we convert in meter, then it's 10 to the power 3. Or we can write 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. So if I substitute this value here, then we will get G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. This is acceleration due to gravity of the earth. I hope you understood. Now the significance of this force of gravitation. See, we are on the earth, or every object is on the earth because of force of gravitation. Otherwise, if force of gravitation won't be there, nothing will be on the earth. Everything will be flying. Earth is moving around the sun because of gravitation force. Moon is revolving around the earth because of gravitation force. The eclipse and tide comes in sea or ocean because of gravitational force of sun and moon. I hope you understood what is gravitation and how to find out G through it. I hope you understood. If any questions, you can write in comment box. Again I repeat, my name Paras Doshi and my phone number is 9898 424548. Thank you.